The first step in dropping off a sample for asbestos testing is to come to our lab. We are located at 700 College Circle in London, Ontario. Proceed through the front entrance of the building until you see the laboratory samples drop box located in the lobby to the right. Start by taking one of the blank forms located in the front of the sample drop box. If you want, you can do the next steps either at the drop box or in the main lobby of the building. Start by opening the envelope and taking out the provided test request form and one of the provided pens. Using a Sharpie or a marker, make sure to label each of your samples. Label and number each sample with how you would like the samples to be called in the final report. Once all your samples are labeled, set them aside for now. Begin filling out the blank test request form provided in the envelope. Make sure that you write your name, address, telephone number, and an email we can use to contact you with. If this test is for a company or a business, make sure to also include the name of your company. If not, you can leave that blank. You can also include a project ID number if you would like it to be included on your report. If not, you can leave that blank. Next, fill out the sample description. Make sure that the samples you record in this section of the form match the sample names and numbers that you have written on your samples. Make sure to check whether or not your sample has multiple layers that you would like tested. If so, they will be tested and charged separately. Make sure to choose the test selectivity that you would like performed. Test selectivity by default is 0.5%. Now choose the desired turnaround time for your test results. We offer 10 business days turnaround by default, but you can choose to expedite results at an increased cost per sample. Complete the test request form by adding your signature and record the date that the samples were submitted on. Once you've finished filling out the test request form, make sure to put all of your samples as well as the completed test request form back into the clear envelope. Don't forget to keep the included business card in case you need to contact us with any further questions. Finally, tie the envelope closed with your samples and the test request form inside and place it into the sample drop box. The sample drop box is checked 3 times a day, and once we receive your samples, we will email you for an invoice for payment.